Hey, what's up, guys? It's Calvin here. Let's go over some of these charts on the daily close. Today is Wednesday. Pretty beautiful day for me, guys. Did some more trades on the SPY and Apple. I'm all set for Apple's earnings tomorrow. Let's look at my first trade I did today. As you guys recall, on the SPY, I had to change my naked short position into a spread, and that's what I did today. I actually bought the 131 15 contracts at 2 cents. So I turned that into a spread, and I did Apple this morning off the low of the day. So let's go over the SPY really quick, and I'll go over Apple really fast. Right now, obviously, we're just gapping down a few days ago into my master gap fill area. If this breaks, guys, now we're just consolidating in a range off this gap fill level right here, guys. So now we're just in a tight little range. Let's go intraday and look at it. If this breaks, guys, we have to watch and see what the next levels are. See, obviously, we're just chopping in this little tight range, guys, the last 2 days. If it breaks, guys, my next level to the downside will be 140. That will be a great level. A lot of consolidation here, guys. Even 140 number. That will be a good spot for a bounce. But my ultimate target, guys, off this pattern, if that breaks, the 140 is going to be right here, guys, the 200-day moving average with the 150-day. Right around this level, guys, my symmetrical move. I drew two targets off the pattern I see, and I see the 150-day and the 200. So this could be into play, guys, but I really think that's the max downside for these markets for now. If you look at the XLF, which are the financials are holding up really well. They still haven't really broken the 20-day yet. It haven't really tested the 50 yet, so it's still holding up well. We have to watch this very carefully, guys. Right now, we're still in this ascending triangle type-ish pattern. Okay, let's go to the Apple and show you guys the trade I did intraday. It was a beautiful time trade, guys. Caught the low of the day like I always usually do. It's just a thing of beauty, guys. Here's the daily chart. Just chop around here. It's not. I don't see any major move until tomorrow. So I think actually we have a decent shot for a bounce. I mean, this thing has just been decimated for the past month or so. So I think there's a good shot that a lot of bad news is already factored in, and we might actually get a bounce. But either ways, guys, you know I'm very defensive. I've actually opened up. I sold 5 naked puts at 525. So that's way out of the money. I'll show you my entry, guys. Right off the low of the day. Right here, guys. Right off this candle. Nice reversal candle right here. And I just got in right on this consolidation, but right on this before this takeoff, I got in. And I will show you that. You can even time it up, guys. When I did my order, I'm really transparent, guys, with my stuff. 12:40. This is Chicago time, I believe. So 12:40. This is actually New York time. I'm sorry, but my account through Options House goes through Chicago time. So 12:40 New York time. That would be what 11:40 in Chicago. And it's right here. 11:30, guys. Right here. My entry. 11:30. 5 contracts. 38 cents. They're now trading at 14 cents. Actually, as soon as this took off, the ask and bid, the bid went to like 15 cents, and I instantly made like double my money. 100% gain almost on this, 50% gain on this trade in a matter of seconds. So that was absolutely fantastic, guys. I love doing trades like that and sharing it with you guys. It's always a pleasure. As you guys see, I'm always transparent, guys. These are my trades right here. This is what I told you I did this morning. I bought 15 contracts of the 131 put to turn this into a spread. So I freed up a lot of buying power to do 5 more contracts on Apple. I did it for 2 cents. I wish I could have did it for 1 penny, but the timing was just not there. I knew how to get an Apple quick because I saw the bottom right here, and that's exactly what we did. Collected a lot of premium off this move, guys. Let's go to the daily chart and look at our downside levels. If earnings are bad or disappoint, these are my levels, guys. 590 to 585, the 200-day moving average, which meets up with my targets. But any more downside than that, if a more extreme move would be 570, and I think that's my max downside objective based off the pattern. Anything can overshoot because earnings are terrible. It always can overshoot. That's why I always play on the safe side. I still have the 535 put on a naked position, and today I also did the 525. So, and that should be very safe, guys. That's actually in line with the last pivot that we made back earlier in the year. I believe it was in March, but right here, right here, guys, this is the pivot, the 525 pivot. Actually, I think that's not the right one. Let me zoom back, guys, on my chart. Let me put this bigger so you guys can see it. So these are my two positions on Apple right now, guys. If I have a chance to turn it into a spread, if I see some more opportunities, I will update you guys. But right now, these are my two positions on Apple for earnings. They're looking pretty good so far. But we'll have to wait and see tomorrow. They report tomorrow, so we'll see how. This is the pivot right here, guys. Okay, so let's look at the IWM. The IWM actually hit the 200-day moving average already. So the 200, guys, always major support after a major uptrend, and this is what you're getting right here. Perfect touch of the 200-day moving average, guys. Getting a nice little bounce. Not much follow through here, so guys, that's a pretty weak bounce. You'd like to see some good follow through, but these moving averages are coming down. Price is below all these moving averages, so the chart is looking rather weak. And let's look at the Qs too. I believe the Qs have also hit the 200-day moving average, guys, on a daily chart. The tech's been obviously leading this market down, so it's looking decent here for a bounce. I mean, we hit my symmetrical move here as well, and into a gap window, so we do have a decent shot for a bounce here. But it's all really going to be depending on the earnings of Apple. So we're just going to have to wait and see what happens tomorrow. Is there anything else I want to look at? Let's look at Amazon, guys. You guys know I love to trade Amazon. But, guys, it's all about reading the charts, guys. I was trading Amazon put spreads way in here. But as it fell, I did not touch it until it hit my next level. And my next level was right here. And that's when I got in. And we had a 2 to 3 day bounce. That's what I call it for. And I didn't do any trades here. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. I said this is a good spot. You could have done some trades here, but notice, guys, you want to be on the right side of the trade. You don't want to be the amateur chasing this move. You got to be able to call out these moves before they actually happen. And that's why I was confident. I was very adamant that on this, once we hit my level here with the 25% retrace and other factors that I calculated in, which is a measured move, measured target move, I got in right here and got a nice 2 to 3 day bounce. And now we're rolling back over. Now our next level is here. Right in this vicinity. This is really good support, guys. Good support right here, guys. Also at the 150-day moving average. And if this level fails, guys, this is a pretty good spot right now. And we are oversold. But if we do see more selling, the 125 is a no-brainer with this gap window, I believe, right here. Let's see what this level is. Gap window, 125. And obviously after that, it will be gap filled. That would be a fantastic spot to go long on Amazon. But Amazon also reports earnings tomorrow. So we're just going to have to wait and see. Let's look at some of the leading tech stocks. I like to look at Google as well. Google had terrible earnings last week with a total miss. And right now, guys, it looks like it's consolidating here sideways. So we're just waiting to see where this breaks. Does it want to break up or does it want to break down? Right now, this line, guys, this is not just some random spot, guys. Look at the spot on the chart. This was the last pivot high. It's simple. Support, resistance becomes support, guys. Simple stuff, guys. Right here, right on this pivot right here, guys. This was the last pivot. So this is the breakout. This is the pivot breakout. This is the breakout area. So once it comes back over here, it's going to be support. And also there's consolidation here. So this is where it's getting support, guys. And we have to see where this goes. Does it want to break higher? Or does it want to break lower? So I think that's all I want to go through for today, guys. It's a pretty chill day. Sitting pretty nice in profit so far. Pretty slow week for me while I'm away out of town. So can't really go over as many charts and stocks as I want to. But once I get back next week, should be good to go. And I'll be back doing more videos and keeping you guys posted on whatever I do. So, okay, guys, I think I'm going to call it. That's all I'm going to do for the video right now. And I will talk to you guys later. I hope you guys have a great day. Peace.